What is up? What is up? Welcome back, YouTube. First and foremost, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all haven't subscribed to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I did a video on this car. So what I'm going to do is today I'm coming to y'all today with the changing of the spark plugs. I know I've seen a lot of videos on folks doing this on how to change the spark plugs in these. Like I said, this is for the 2019 Dodge Challenger. Again, this is for the 2019 Dodge Challenger. Everybody has mixed reviews on how to do these. Mine was pretty much simple and the easiest way to do it possible. So let's dig into the video. First and foremost, as y'all can see, I already taken it apart. I did the first three on this side. So these are what you're going to need. Yeah, you see it. I told y'all 100% die hard. So you're going to need an 8mm ratchet with an extension. And you're basically going to need those for these bolts right here. It's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's 5, 6. It's the 7th one over here. Yeah, it's the 7th one over there. So you're going to need that 8mm. That's the 8mm you're going to need for the bolts on top. Next, you're going to need a 10mm a little socket, or me, I use the deep socket one. And that 10mm is going to be for your spark plugs, these right here. So you have 3 over here if you have the V6. Of course, if you have the V8, you know, you're 4 and 4. But you're going to need the 10mm for these, and pretty much the hosing. I'm gonna let y'all know this now. On the bracket, on the 2019s and up, well, 2017s and up, on the older videos they don't show you this, but I'm gonna show y'all something. There's 2 brackets right here, this one and this one, that they don't have on the older model Challengers. Let me tell y'all the trick. You're gonna need a 13mm ratchet. Come on, focus in. You're gonna need a 13mm, and you're gonna loosen that bolt right there just a little bit. Once you loosen it, it's gonna give you a little wiggle play right there. Y'all see that? Once you loosen that up a little bit, don't take it all the way off. Just loosen it a little bit to where it can wiggle just a little bit. Then you're gonna be able to slide this off. You only have to take it off fully. You're just gonna lift it up to where you can get to these 3 over here. Hold on. Alright guys, this video is sponsored by Gorilla Car Care. Make sure you head over to Gorilla Car Care and get all your car care products that you need. Everybody keeps asking me, hey man, how do you get your car to shine so good? What you use on your car, or how you keep your car clean? I tell them I head over to Gorilla Car Care and purchase everything that I need to get my car to keep that shine. So head over to Gorilla Car Care and use my promo code CAPTIONS15. CAPTIONS15 with a K. Let's get back to the video. So I'm back. So like I was saying, so that's what you need, the 10mm. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. That's what you're gonna need the 10mm for. It's for these right here. You should have a total of 6. 3 on this side, 3 on that side. So there's the 3 right there. As y'all can see them. I know my engine a little dirty, y'all. Y'all gotta forgive me. I'm getting detailed tomorrow. So, and then there's the 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. These 3 over here are the easiest to do. So basically what I did was started with these 3 first. Pulled up, I did each one by one. And then once I get those, I came over to this side over here. And as y'all see, so right here, again, on the 2017s and up, there's this little tab. You see this little tab? Be careful, because I did break one. You're gonna put, you hear the click? I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's a click. And then there's right here, you heard it, Then there's another one right here. What you do, once you pretty much clip it, it'll come off. Just like that. Just like that. It's that simple. Once you unscrew them, see how I did that? I already loosened these up, y'all. So like I said, a 10 millimeter for this. Like that, come straight up with it. And then you're gonna get a extension. You're gonna need extension like this. And for the Challengers and up, 17 Challengers, this is a 5/8. I know y'all probably seen this magnet. So if you don't have the spark plug socket, which y'all see, this isn't the spark plug socket, but it's deep enough for the spark plugs. Pretty much I was able to, if you can go to like a Dollar General and get one of these. It's pretty much a magnet to grab the spark plug out. The spark plugs. So I went to AutoZone and I got these. As y'all can see, I got a total of 6. These ran me $12.99 a piece. Make sure y'all get the NGK ones, y'all. I know Autolite is the cheapest. Don't get those. Get the NGK. Yeah, I'm telling you, you go cheap, you go pay for cheap. So I just want to give y'all that. You get what you pay for. So I wanted to do a video on changing the spark plugs and how to do it. Because like I said, there was a lot of videos I seen of people changing them, and some stuff that they missed that I came across when I saw it. These spark plugs is well overdue. I'm right at 37,000 miles on this car. 2019, like I say, I bought this thing brand new with no miles on it, and I'm just not changing the spark plugs on it. Comment down below, tell me what you think about that. But yeah, I wanted to let y'all know that, okay, these are, like I say, they 5/8 when you go down in there. A total of 3. But I wanted to give y'all the info because I know a lot of folks probably, scratching their head, man, I don't know how to, change these things out. And I want to give y'all the heads up. If y'all come in contact with that, as you see, there's the 2 bolts right there that goes in these 2 brackets. So y'all see, remember, take that 13 millimeter and loosen that bolt right there. You're not gonna loosen it all the way. You just want to loosen it enough to where you can get some wiggle play in it. Once you get the wiggle play, this will fall back. That one will come out first, and then that one will come out, and then you'll slide the other one out over there. And that's on the throttle body side. Simple tools, y'all. It's about a total of, I want to say, this is all y'all gonna need right here. An 8, a 13, extension, and a 10. I mean a 5/8 for your spark plug, and a 10. That's it. And a screwdriver for your throttle body to take it off. That's it. It's that simple. That simple. For those, I know it's been a minute since I did a video on this car. Y'all probably wonder what's going on with this car. I'm probably gonna have this car probably another 2-3 months. I do have something else coming, so y'all gotta stay tuned for that video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure y'all hit that red, hit the icon over there in the corner. Subscribe to the channel. We are actually on our way to 2,500. That's what y'all goal for this year. I do have new content coming. Y'all just have to stay patient. I do have content coming. I have family content coming. Those that are asking for cruise content, we do have that coming up. We got a big cruise coming up, so I want y'all to pay attention to that. That's coming up. Also, I have, I'm gonna keep y'all informed on what's going on with the car, because I know a lot of folks have been wondering where the car content has been. Something about YouTube and the algorithm is, with the car content, is not pushing the way it's supposed to push. But I wanted to give y'all a heads up on the spark plug, changing the spark plugs on these cars, because I know it's a lot different. Y'all see a lot of videos, but those Challengers are totally different from the newer model Challengers, because the newer model has the 2 brackets on the side of the motor and the older model doesn't. So if y'all scratching y'all head on how to change those, make sure y'all check out this video for that. But in the meantime, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.